Hello everyone. Ngasi YouTube asigi mateng na khoi Indian Polity haiba subject to gi matang da khoi nova course ama hominasi masigi Indian Polity si kadai da khoi sinagani haiba matam da khoi UPSC exam ma thagado SSC gi exam ma thagado singna masigi subject asi kanagani aduna khoi ma'am Indian Polity haiba subject asi khoi mathang khaminasi aduna aibu support tawbibo ina mayam na channel asibu subscribe like share tawbiu kanagumba in needs dakar laiba singda sumayam na share tawbiu aina sigi channel asi hangpagi pandamdi koina coaching chat pangamutaba singi damakta ina specially oina hangjabani aisu YouTube ta hanba nauna hangjabani na YouTube ki fazana khangu oide na aina thagacheriba singsina mayam penbiu mayamna soigibu khotkibu yarosu mayamna so excuse tawbiu phare koi humdana tawasi koi Indian Polity gi koi basic khara na koi khaminasi koi constitution gi matangda koi khaminasi koi Indian constitution gi matangda koi Indian constitution ase types khara khaidoi types of constitution types ta ahanbada written constitution haiba ma lei Pithibida constitution makhan mayam lei constitution makhal sing asida constitution ani khaidoi khoi India sina karamba constitution haibla khoina biminasi hamada written constitution haiba malai written constitution asi kamai tawbano haiba matamda laws are written and codified into single document example USA India haibadi khoi law sing ase khoina single document da codified taweba habidi books amada yaweba larik amada pulap yaweba document amada example akoina Indian constitution paning leragadi akoina bookstore amata chalaga akoigi constitution of India hairaga larik ama sum lairaga full akoigi constitution se paaba yae masigi constitution ase USA da susmain chanaiba moigi written constitution oeba tidaso haire can be found in single book haira written constitution da kaidogani akoigi constitution ase sisina supreme oeba haibadi constitution gi makhada loi laigani every law everything pudima koi written constitution chanariba koi country se mathangda unwritten constitution haiba msulai asida kaidawi haiba matamda not all laws are written and non-codified document koi law kudima ka se written oidiba law kana larik mase na written tawi law khara na mase na written tawi aduga single document na codify oidiba moise karam country da chanai haiba matamda United Kingdom amadi New Zealand chanai ba masigi unwritten constitution se Chidasho hareto can be shown in single document single document laite aduna masigi country singji koina constitution ado paage haiba matam larik ama single laiba matam da loina paaba nga moiba larik laite ba single loida moigi unwritten constitution da kari kari tawe haiba matam ko moigi parliament asina sovereign oe parliament hena sawe koigi written constitution da kai tawe koi constitution asina supreme ne moigi dana kai dawa parliament hena sovereign oe aduna bokoigi Britain da haridani British Parliament can do anything except a man turn into woman and a woman turn into man British ki Parliament na ngamdaba mata laite moina ngamdaba haiba nupa si nupi onthopa amadi nupi si nupa onthopa khatani ngamdrisi moigi Parliament si pura sovereign oye makha tabda ko yemina si koigi unitary constitution haiba masulai masidi kari no haiba tanda all powers are concentrated in one strong center. Moigi powers jiki government ki powers center da concentrated taw lai ya strong center no paisi la thamya center controls the entire system center na entire system is control taw center controls the government center na government no control taw simoina delegation of power khati lai delegation of power and the delegation is not permanent and can be snatched anytime moina power saithopa matam da sumadugi saithoiba power to permanent na teba anytime moina loction be haiba center aduna mathang da yemina si federal constitution haiba masulai federal constitution ki definition chapsaba laite madugi matana ba yemina si federal constitution yengba matam da koina kaidogani haiba matam da compare with US constitution and if it matches it is federal haibadi koigi constitution ase ꯐꯦꯗꯔꯦꯜ ꯂꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯗꯔꯦꯜ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯨ ꯑꯦꯁ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯒ ꯀꯝꯄꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯨ ꯑꯦꯁ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯦꯗꯔꯦꯜꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯌꯨ ꯑꯦꯁ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯗꯔꯦꯜꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯗꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯒꯣꯕꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯥꯋꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯄꯥꯋꯔ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯔꯤꯇꯟ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯔꯤꯖꯤꯠ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯖꯨꯗꯤꯁꯤꯌꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤꯕ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤꯔ ꯐꯦꯗꯔꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯁꯣ ꯋꯥꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯟ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯐꯦꯗꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ Indian Constitution is unique. Indian Constitution is unique amaneba. Indian Constitution is quasi-federal. Federal but with a strong unitary bias. Unitary with federal characteristic as said by the Constitution expert. Koi Constitution expert singna haibirameba Indian Constitution ase quasi-federal ni amadi kedawa federal with a strong unitary bias. Dikedawa unitary with a few federal characteristic. Haina Constitution experts in Haibirameva. Example in Hairameva. State government can be dismissed by the center like we have president rule in Manipur. Koi Manipur is president rule like you say. Amadi state government is dismissed the one made in the center na. Sumaina Tawdana, Koi Indian Constitution is a federal Habasuyadeva, unitary Habasuyadeva. Koi Haidana, unitary government that the power could in Maxe. Center strongly lay high and high with the federal and carry high power distribution to Aduna Sidiamo state government said center anytime dismiss the Wongameva Amadi Kadoba president will come in Mangameva Manipur to Tam Kridune Mayan Kangidune unitary bias character in the constitution Indian constitution the unitary character yaw have all India service IS IFS amadi IPS Koi Indian All India Service or IS officer, IPS officer, Indian Forest Service officer singse center na moi happy when amadi kedawa state ta thara moi service to mane center gi moi se mai hatare center gi spy gumba mani spy mo te haiba su ya center gi work to abu work ta de amadi kedawa honorable governor koi honorable governor si center gi thara pane state ta tham mane amadi kedawa koi emergency provision sing si center na Tambang Bagtani, the unitary character Gactani, Koi India is an agency of homes. Queen Matagi Winasi Are as you Ziki topic Ado Mayam Ganta Viragadi Mayam like to view Makata Pusida Queen Yamalueva types of majority and Aquina Egama pasta womatam Amadi Pillama pasta womatam Kari majority Sinagani have it of Kunyam. Kaminasi Mayamuna Tabi, most important Yakoina Makata, and of course, a Trakumatan Masigi topic as say, important or any heavy Masigi Egas in the Kari, majority in the pasta with Masi Billas in the Kari, majority in the pasta when you have it. I am Simuna Tabi to the Kamo and Ahanda absolute majority have on Kaglay. Absolute majority is Kamaita on Havana. More than half of the total strength of the House or total votes poll Havani. Karina Havana total strength of the Lok Sabha 543 line example. So 272 plus is absolute majority. Havadi 543 Tankai 271 half or money. Madui Tankai Kitang Henmatam 272 Fangipa. 272 Pangaba or Adudiki Hillava the Queen Kedoga Madudo Kedovi, absolute majority Hanako. Total string Ladiva, house the labor total string do Aduki Tankaidagi Hangado. Madu Begovi, absolute majority going. Masikangani Komea Matang the Quakamina simple majority. Simple majority is Nicarino Havamatanda. More than half of the members present and voting. Have the Queen of Community. Today on House of Mother. 543 is total string never. House amagi. Look at over 143 is absent or never. House numit aduda. ꯃꯗꯨ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ 543 ꯗꯒꯤ 143 ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ 400 ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯕꯤꯜꯗꯣ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯝꯄꯜ ꯃꯦꯖꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ 400 ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ 200 + is the simple majority 하이ꯕꯅꯤ 400 ꯇꯪꯈꯥꯏꯗꯨꯒꯤ + ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯧꯕ ꯈꯪꯉꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ sometimes absolute majority is equal to simple majority ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯪꯈꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯇꯪꯈꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯇꯪꯈꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯩ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯦꯕꯁꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯐꯨꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯐꯨꯜ ꯇꯣꯇꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯎꯁꯇꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯦꯕꯁꯣꯂꯨꯠ ꯃꯦꯖꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒ ꯁꯤꯝꯄꯜ ꯃꯦꯖꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒ ꯀꯔꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯦꯕꯁꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯁꯤꯝꯄꯜ ꯃꯦꯖꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ absolute majority simple majority की characters मानरकनी मैं अंडरस्टैंड होरेको मथंगदा effective majority अमुक खमिनसी मया effective majority से कइनो हाइबा मतमदा more than half of effective strength of the house मतो कोइ खमिनसी सिदे यमो total strength minus vacancy vacancy से कइनो हाइबा मतमदा vacancies can be because of death resignation disqualification कोई हाउस द तिलिबा मेंबर सिंग अदो लेखिदबा यावरबा अमदि रिजाइन तौखरबा अमदि डिस्क्वालिफाई तौखरबा मतमदा वैकेंसी लेगनी येमो सिदा टोटल की स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द हाउस 543 ने सिदगी 143 द वैकेंसी ओइग्रे मोजि लेखिदबा यावरे रिजिग्नेशन तौगिबा यावरे डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन तौगिबा यावरे मसिद लेमो जे 400 खतनेबा सो 400 सिगी मतुंगदा 200 plus is the effective majority लेमौरीबा मीदुगी तंखाई हेनबसे कदौबा effective majority ने सिदा खो येमिनसे यानो क्वेश्चन मैम हंगोंगनी मैम अही डॉक्यूमेंट से ngasi diside na type tawramdraba malai makha taba to haye makha tana khana minarasi ngasi gi damakta ni matang isa video se losinjarge makha matangi video da ai effective majority dagi fazana mu explain tawjage ngasi gi sibok tang myam khaminarasi mayamna video se mai biya like share subscribe tawbiyo ado ai channel sibo support tawbiyo ado ai matang ai ngamagadi daily news analysis ai thagajarake mayamna exam gi damakta help tawna gi damakta ngasi gi damakta matang asida losinjarge mayambo khurumjari